Okay, people, so today in front of me, as you can see, I do have just a bunch of different mifo earbuds. I have the mifo 05 Gen 2s, the mifo S's, the mifo 07s, the mifo 09s. I've also reviewed the original mifo 05s, and I didn't review the mifo 05S. I believe that's what it's called, or the mifo 05 Gen 2. I'm not sure, but anyways, I say that to say that mifo was created in 2012, I believe, and they've came out with a bunch of these earbuds. Very good, high quality earbuds, very strongly built, good sound quality. So in 2021, they created another company under the mifo umbrella. I do believe it's called FiiTii. 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 I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but there is another company underneath the mifo umbrella. So the FiiTii part of the company was set up by mifo for better communication, brand recognition, customer service, and a higher quality sound. So at the beginning of 2022, they came out with these hi-fi pods. Didn't review those. I might review those. I'm not 100% sure. But FiiTii was kind enough to send over these HiFiAir ANC Earbuds. You know what? Enough with the backstory. Let's get into it.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so you can pick these earbuds up on Amazon or the FiiTii site. As always, I'll put the links in down below. On Amazon, I believe the price right now is going for $49, and on the FiiTii site, they're going for $59. But the links down below will give you the latest pricing no matter when they change or when you watch this video. Now, these only come in one color. You do have this black. And quickly going around the box on the front side, as you can see, these are boom style earbuds. You do have a decent sized charging case. At the bottom, it says HiFiAir ANC Earbuds. On the back side, you do see the mifo badge, ANC wireless earbud, Bluetooth 5.2, touch key, which means they do have touch surfaces on here, ANC noise canceling, mono and dual phone call function. So I do believe that means that you can take a phone call with just one earbud or both earbuds, low latency, and IPX7 waterproof. Now, the battery life on these earbuds, you will get 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case will charge these back up 5 times for a total of 36 hours of playback time. And to charge these earbuds back up, if you do drain them completely, is around 2 hours. Okay, so inside this box, what you would get as you open it up, you do have your earbud case right here on top. You also get another box underneath all of that, and inside this box you do have some literature and some additional ear tips. I do believe that there are 3 additional ear tips, 1 already installed, so 4 ear tips in total, and that's how you get inside of the box, people. It is an all plastic charging case. You do get 3 LED indicators on the front side. If I can get them to pop up, you can see that. You do get 3 LED indicators on the front side, which gives you your battery status. You have your USB Type-C charging port on the bottom side. This is not capable of being wirelessly charged, so if that is something that you're looking for in earbuds, these might not be for you, but it is a nice small and compact size case, so there won't be any issues of this being a problem with being too big if you put these in your pocket or have these in a bag or a gym bag or a purse or something like that. The case lid is held closed by a magnet, and if I turn it upside down, as you can see, that the lid will not open up, as well as the earbuds on the inside are also held in by magnets. But the magnet for the earbuds, they're not as strong as the lid door, but I can flip them upside down and shake it and it will not come out. I can feel them shaking around a little bit, but they will not fall out. Now, going around the earbuds, as you can see, like I said earlier, they are boom style earbuds. You do have 2 indicator lights at the bottom part on the stems right here. On the outside is where you have your touch surfaces right under the FiiTii logo. You do get 2 mics on each of these earbuds, which help with ANC and ENC. ENC is environmental noise cancellation. The inside of the earbud right underneath the ear tip right here is kind of translucent, so you can actually see the driver sitting underneath right there, which I do think is a pretty nice touch. They don't stick out that much. As you can see, they're very streamlined. I have no issues with them moving around, falling out. if you want to use these for working out, that should not be an issue, especially because they are IPX7 earbud, waterproof, so any type of sweat, water, rain, whatever that you come in contact with will not affect these earbuds. Now, that is not the same for the case. The case is not IPX7, only the earbuds, so do not get that confused. And now very quickly for the button functions, and before I get into that, one thing that I would like to say is that I like what FiiTii did to mitigate any accidental touches. I mean, you might have accidental touches, but if you do touch your earbud accidentally, it will just turn the volume up or turn the volume down. So a single tap on the left earbud will turn the volume down, a single tap on the right earbud will turn the volume up, a double tap on the left or the right earbud will answer in phone calls, a double tap on the left or the right earbud will play and pause your music. If you press and hold either earbud for 2 seconds, it will cycle through mild noise cancellation, transparency mode, or strong noise cancellation. 5 taps on either earbud will turn low latency mode on and off. 3 taps on the left earbud will go to the previous track, and 3 taps on the right earbud will go to the next track. Now, normally in this time of the video, I would talk about the app, but mifo / FiiTii still does not have an app for their earbuds. Now, mifo has been in the game, like I said, since 2012. All the big players and even some of the smaller earbud companies in this space, they do have apps. Mainly, I would like to point out Soundcore. Soundcore does an amazing job with their app. So FiiTii, when you do watch this, get with the mifo side of the company, and you have to create an app. It's just better so that you can push updates to your earbuds, your future earbuds coming out. You can have people that want to tailor their sound to exactly how they like it inside of an EQ. That can be an option. So moving forward, that's something that you guys really need to work on. Okay, so before I talk about the sound quality of these earbuds, I would like to go over the noise cancellation on these. So you do have 3 different types of modes. You have strong noise cancellation, mild noise cancellation, and then you also have transparency mode. I know it's not a noise cancellation, but it cycles through, and that's something that you have to hit on. I'm in transparency mode right now. It works fairly well. Obviously, it's not the best that you're going to get, simply because these are like $50 earbuds. The mild noise cancellation I can do without. I would either have it on transparency mode or strong noise canceling. That's just my opinion. The strong noise cancellation in these earbuds, it does pretty good for $50 earbuds. I mean, you do have to take that into consideration. Now for the sound quality on here. It's a very solid sound for $50 earbuds. Obviously, you're not gonna get the best bass, you're not gonna get the most treble or even the more well-defined mid-tones coming out of these earbuds. If you're just an average music consumer and you just want some new affordable earbuds, these will get the job done. But if you are someone that likes to tailor your sound to your ears, mess with the low ends, mess with the treble, mess with the mid-tones, these might not be the earbuds that you're looking for. These do have low latency mode inside of these, and I do believe if you tap either earbud 5 times, that will either turn low latency mode on or turn low latency mode off. Now, I did check for latency on YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Peacock, you know, all the usual suspects when it comes to streaming movies, and there were no latency issues whatsoever. And I was actually very surprised about that. Earbuds at a price point like these, I was expecting to get some latency, but I didn't have any latency whatsoever. Okay, people, and so when it comes to call quality, this is how the other person will hear you on the other end of the phone call. I will put on some ambient sound, some city noise, so that you can actually see how much ambient noise these let in or don't let in. And one thing that I've noticed when I'm testing these out is that when I'm actually talking on some of these earbuds, more ambient noise is let in. But if I'm not talking at all, then less ambient noise is actually let in. So I'm not sure how these will act, but I'm gonna go ahead and play some ambient sound. And my speaker unit is right here, right next to me, so it's kind of an extreme test. But it gives you a better idea of how much ambient noise these actually let in. This is at around 50%, as you can hear. There is like crowd noise going on, people talking in the background, and I'm gonna push this up to 100% to see exactly how much crowd noise, ambient noise, this actually lets in. And this is now at 100% speaker right here.
monitoring going on in the background. Okay, people, so that was my call quality check when it came to these HiFiAir ANC earbuds. Please let me know how you feel, how these let in ambient noise or didn't let in ambient noise. Leave a comment down below.
I don't completely understand why mifo decided to create FiiTii. I know they said it was for like better brand recognition, customer service, dedicated to more hi-fi earbuds. Maybe mifo is going to be creating maybe like more speakers or different items like that, and then their FiiTii arm is just going to be strictly with ANC earbuds and maybe some over-the-ear headphones. I'm not 100% sure. I know Anchor/Soundcore did that or is doing that, so maybe mifo is moving in that direction as well. These HiFiAir ANC earbuds, they are a solid pair of earbuds at a very good price point. If you're just your average music consumer, podcast consumer, movie content, TV show content consumer, these earbuds will definitely get the job done. But if you're someone that wants a more tailored sound with an EQ, be able to adjust an EQ and all of that, these earbuds are definitely not something that you will be interested in. So that's all I got for you people. As always, if this is your first time here or if you find any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, my name is Nicholas. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. I'm out. Peace.